In this part, I would like to show all of you how to create organizational breakdown structure. So now let's start all together. We go to Enterprise, we go to OBS, or we call organizational breakdown structure. And then we assign who responds for this company. So the first chairman of company, chairman of construction company, and then I assign 3 beach more as in the previous lesson. So Mr. khengsengngon, beach manager, and the third Mr. khengsengngon, beach manager, and the third Mr. samrat, Vietnam, beach manager. And then Mr. khengsengngon has 2 departments. The first is construction department, and the second is highway department. So I need to create who are managed on these departments. So I create news and use the shift right, and I type construction manager, and the third highway manager, and Mr. khengsengngon beach managed on departments of the highway of the MEPs bridge. So I assign the MEP manager, and Mr. samrat Vietnam responds for architectural departments. So I assign it. After we create the organizational breakdown structure, we can view, click on the display or OBS element and view with the chart view. So it is the way how to create OBS, or we call organizational breakdown structure. Thank you.